Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily backup your BigCommerce store in a few steps. Now, having a backup is really important, only because let's say someone would hack your account or something would happen with your store. Having the option to backup, to restore, and also to copy the critical information for your store is really important. So let me show you the whole process how you can do it. The first thing what you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. Now, when you're going to click on the link, you will get right here to the Rewind application. When you're going to click on the link, on the right top side, you would see the Start Your Trial, what you can click on and then start the trial. But right before that, what you can do is also just log in and start the whole process. You can go to Products and see BigCommerce right here. And I want to show you how the pricing standpoint works, etc. So right here, when you come, you see what rewinds backs up for BigCommerce. This means you can restore individual items, including images, descriptions, blogs, themes, orders, pages, customer lists, and more, multiple items at once, like an entire collection or brand, your complete BigCommerce store just how you like it. And this is like really good. And then you're gonna see the pricing here. It's based on orders, how many of them. So let's say you would have 100 orders a month. It's $9 a month, pretty cheap, right? So this is pretty much it how we can do it. 500 orders a month. And let's say I would have 1K even right then. It's pretty cheap only because it's going to give you the peace of mind that we many times seek, right? So this is how we can do it. Of course, you can also copy. BigCommerce custom with enterprise plans can copy their complete product catalog to a sandbox environment. And you can pay per copy $79. And complete product catalogs, including products, options, complete rules, custom fields, option sets, products, brands, categories. And this is pretty much it how you can do it. And you can easily copy. Not only that you can backup, you can copy to your BigCommerce store. So what you have to do is go to top right, start your free trial, and then add an email address signed with your Gmail or normal mail, the company mail that you have. And that's pretty much it how you can do it. Now, when you're going to sign up, what you're going to probably do is to BigCommerce Rewind right in Google, and I want to even show you that the reviews are really good here. See, 5 out of 5 star with 445 reviews. Rewind gives BigCommerce stores owners peace of mind by automatically backing up your most important store data, products, product details, product images, themes, customers, orders, and more. So you can easily do it, and this is pretty much it how it works. And now you get everything secured. Everything is pretty good. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So if you can have any questions, guys, or you would like to know some stuff, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. But this is how you can simply backup your BigCommerce store. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.